Hey guys, today I wanted to record a video to kind of embrace the whole aspect of now that you're started with oils. So you have your oils and then what comes next. So we're going to just chat about some key things to get you started and using and loving your oils each and every day now that you have them in possession and you want to, use them in your life to really make it glow. So I have a bunch of stuff in front of me that I'm going to reference to. Not all of it is doTERRA specific, which is the great part. So you can, seek to Amazon and all those other places. But really these are the key tools that I kind of integrated in when I was getting started with oils. So the first and foremost is one that is specific to doTERRA, and it is called fractionated coconut oil. So this is a carrier oil, and this is a great idea to use to dilute your oils down because there's no harm in diluting your oils down. It doesn't change the effectiveness of them. It just creates a larger surface area, so a greater barrier to the oils, entering your skin, but it also will help drive them deeper into the tissue. So you're not going to change the effectiveness, but you're also going to extend the life of your oils because instead of using 1 drop of pure essential oil, now you're going to be adding 1 drop of pure essential oil into a teaspoon to a tablespoon of a carrier oil. And I tell you, this bottle can sometimes last you months. So when I first got mine, I got my original order, and then the next month is when I added this on to my next order. And I think it lasted me around 2 to 3 months, and I was making a lot of blends. I was doing a lot of roller bottle blends, which I'll talk about next. And I was using this to dilute it down and, just make the oil easier to apply to the skin. So you can use this, or you can use, like I said, any other carrier oil. You can use a jojoba, sweet almond, olive even, rosehip. So whatever carrier oil you feel comfortable doing. You can even get one off of Amazon. I think I got a big bottle of fractionated coconut oil one time from this local store that had oil supplies, and that's what I have downstairs. And I have some fractionated coconut oil by doTERRA too. So I'll just quickly explain that fractionated coconut oil just means that they've removed the fatty part of the oil, so it always remains a liquid. This also makes it more shelf stable. It's not going to make your stuff oily, and it doesn't have a scent, so it's nice where it can just be the full impact of the essential oil smells to have in this roller bottle blend. So that would be my first one. I also love getting pump lids for it, and you can do this on any oil website. I think I got this one from Aroma Tools or shareoils.com, and it just fits perfectly into the bottle, and it's just easier for application. So this has a little drip lid to it, but I love this for just squirting into the hands, or it's really easy to just drop it into a roller bottle, which I'm going to talk about next, and fill it with that. So that is fractionated coconut oil. And then, like I mentioned, I really do love roller bottles. So if you are getting into oils and you want to use them topically, having roller bottles is so much easier than, doing a pump of this in your hands, getting the oil, rubbing it on you. It just can get really messy, and roller bottles are great for on the go as well. So doTERRA has an accessory store now, and you can actually purchase this 6-pack of 10 milliliter roller bottles, and it comes with beautiful roller tops. See how they're kind of metallic there, or stainless steel, sorry. And these are great for making blends. We have a team document with roller bottle blends from emotional to sleep support to kid support to immune support. So you can use some of those recipes that if you got started with the top 10 oils, a lot of the recipes in there have blends for you that incorporate the top 10, and then as you want to expand your collection, then you can look at other oil options on top of, just playing around with the 10 you have. But roller bottles make it really, really easy to do. So we have a dilution guide in our tribe and a roller bottle blend guide to help you get into making your own roller blends. And there are many beautiful ones you can make with the top 10 oils, like I said. And this just makes it a lot easier for on the go or with your kiddos or having them lying around the house and all that beautiful stuff. So check out doTERRA's accessory store, or again, go to a third-party oil website or even Amazon. I like these ones from doTERRA, but I also love ones with different colored lids. So these are by Root and Petal, and I think I just ordered them off Amazon or again any other oil website. And they're fun because then you can kind of customize, like you could do a happy blend with an orange or like a nice yellow or pink color and kind of make it more customizable that way. So if you like colors and all that, then definitely look around on Amazon and all that. Which brings me to next. These are available in your back office. They are just a sticker pack with all the stickers. that you can pop on the lids of your essential oil bottles. So you do get one when you do enroll with doTERRA, but I find ordering one of these every few months is nice to have, because what I like to do with the stickers is when I'm making a blend up, I will often put the stickers on the front of the bottle to just show what oils I have in that blend. So it allows you to remember, one, what you put in your blends, but two, you can make sure that all your oil tops have stickers to them beyond, starting with your one sticker sheet that you get. So I think this is 50 cents in the back office, so it's really cost effective and it will last you a long time. And you're not going to use all the stickers. I have so many sticker packs where there are not any of the stickers removed, all the same ones, but there are common ones that I'm constantly using, like lavender, Melaleuca, wild orange. Those ones are always stickers that I run through really quickly, so I like to get a pack of those. So those are really helpful for making blends and putting them on the bottles. Other tools, I love getting spray bottles too. So make sure when you are getting spray bottles, and again, third-party oil website or Amazon or wherever you can find glass spray bottles or stainless steel, you just don't want to use plastic bottles because essential oils can break down in plastic. I mean, if you're not going to be using it to ingest the oils, like if you're not using it as a breath freshener or anything, it's not as much of a concern, but I still encourage glass over plastic just because, again, the oils can eat away at the plastic. Then you never know what you're spraying around, especially if you are cleaning your home or you are trying to reduce the toxins in your home. Then sticking to something like this where it's not going to break down the material is really important. So this is probably my favorite size. This is a 2 ounce. It's a 2 ounce or a 4 ounce. I'm having a little bit of a brain fart, but so then I like to get these and I will make up my own spray blend. So whether it's a mister with just water and peppermint is really refreshing in the summer months, or making a sleep blend, and you can just add oils and water to it, and then you would just shake it up before you use it and then spritz it on whatever. So these are awesome too, or making your own hand sanitizer. That's where I really started with it. And from the one oil website, I think it's eos.life. They have some amazing labels. So here's one that says Tame Your Mane. So this is a blend I put together with some glycerin, water, some lavender and geranium essential oil, and I just sprayed in my daughter's hair after a bath. And just such super cute labels. So I love doing those too. So you can even customize them and make them really, really fun for all ages. Another one, if you are looking to take your oils internally, and again, this is totally up to you. If it's not your place or your time for use with oils, then you don't need to. But I love adding a drop of, say, a citrus oil to a glass of water. But say you really want some deep support and you need to do more than one oil internally, you could get some empty veggie capsules. So this bottle from doTERRA has 160 capsules, and literally it's the only bottle I've bought so far, and we still have a ton left. So I don't do a lot of veggie caps, but when something's coming on and the immune system really needs some support, I'll use it for that. Or I'll do some relaxing oils in here before bed. Or if you need some digestive support and you don't just want to take the oil and drop under the tongue, veggie capsules are great just for really mixing oils together and then swallowing it that way. So again, you can get a whole big container of it for, I want to say it's like $6 or $7 on doTERRA, and it's going to last you a really long time. So that's a great one too. And then we come to the one resource that I really think is so key as you start your oil journey is this book. It's called The Essential Life, and it's so fabulous. It's pretty much like your oil Bible. So it's going to have everything indexed by the body system. So when you go through the back, you can look up the body system that you're looking to use the oil for, and then you see how to use the oils for that specific thing. But also in the front, it goes over all the different essential oils. So all the different ways to use it. So for patchouli, for instance, we'll show you like the top uses for it, where it's found and what blends, and all of that. So I love this resource. And then if you do have any ailments or anything like that, it really is helpful, and it has a bunch of different uses. There they are. So you could really just use this quick reference to see what oils you need. For instance, malaria, mastitis, and it's all alphabeticalized. So this is like a quick reference, and then you can go deeper into the book and go by the body systems. And it's such a beautiful guide that I recommend everyone get started with. And it literally can be used every day. This is a great one to help you feel empowered as you get started with your oils, because it's going to show you how to use them for different concerns and different areas. And it's just a great tool. So I really recommend this to anyone that gets started. Also, when you want to dive deeper into more the emotional side of essential oils, there is a book called Emotions and Essential Oils, go figure. And this one is a great one too, because again, the oils are indexed and it shows you what the oil is and what negative feelings it can get you away from and more positive it can get you towards. So for instance, lavender is the oil of communication. So this is going to help block communication, feelings or fear of rejection, feeling really constricted or tension, and it's going to help you open your communication and feel more relaxed. So if you want to dive into more the emotional side of oils, I really recommend this book. It's really helped me, and even for making emotional blends, it's a great resource to have. And then the one last thing I'll mention is an app. So there is one called Modern Essentials. So if you see the blue one in the middle there, it's a paid app and it's washing out now, but it is a great app to have. So you can type in your concern in that white bar at the top. So whether it's headache, pains, labor and delivery, which is totally where I'm at soon, you can just type those in and it will pop up with the top oils to use. Then the next set of oils that if you don't have those oils, here's are the recommendations, and go from there, and it tells you how to use it. So I love this app for on the go. It is a paid app, like I said, so you go to the app store and you buy it. I think it's about $7 or $8 US, but it's so worth it, especially if you are sharing the oil life with your friends and they have an oil concern. What I love to do is I will go in here, I will type in the concern, take a screenshot of it, and send it to them. So that is helpful. Or they also do come in guides as well. This is just a mini pocket guide, but it's basically the app version. But now I would have to carry this around with me versus having the app just in my pocket ready to go. So those are probably my top tools for getting started with oils. Beyond that, I really encourage you to get diffusing every day. As you can see, mine is going in the background right there. Get using your oils. Using the Essential Life book will really help you, so you can see how the oils you got started with can support you. And then you can figure out how to build your collection from there. So maybe it's adding one new oil a month to your repertoire and, figuring out how that works into your beautiful lifestyle and really supporting it in nature and getting away from toxins and synthetics and chemicals and all that. So hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you need any help getting started on your oil journey as you're watching this, please let me know and I would be happy to help you with that as well. So have a great day, and we'll talk soon.